Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding exactly what's creating that extra page. Go to the end with Control plus End and turn on Show/Hide so you see paragraph marks and breaks. Once done, inspect the last visible symbols. A paragraph mark means extra empty paragraphs. A section break or empty table behaves differently. Make sure to click just before the final mark so you control deletion. This gives you the correct approach rather than guessing which tool to use next. Now you act on what you found. If you see multiple paragraph marks, select them and press delete. That usually collapses the blank page. If a next page or continuous section break blocks you, switch to View Right Arrow Draft, select the break and delete it, because Layout View can hide precise deletion. If a table pushed a final paragraph to a new page, reduce row spacing or delete the trailing paragraph mark inside the table cell. These moves remove the extra page safely. Finish by viewing the document in print layout to confirm the extra page is gone, because some artifacts only show in layout. If the page persists, check page setup margins and paragraph right arrow line and page breaks for keep with next or page break before options. Those force new pages. If needed, save a copy and export to PDF to validate the final layout. If deletion causes unwanted changes, use Undo or restore the saved copy to retry targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.